Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Huawei Band 7 watch. First, make sure your band has sufficient battery, ideally over 50%, to avoid interruptions during the setup process. Next, download the official Huawei Health app onto your smartphone. You can find it in your device's app store. Finally, activate Bluetooth on your phone, as this is essential for the connection. Now, let's pair your band. Open the Huawei Health app and tap on the Devices tab, usually found at the bottom. Select Add Device, then choose Smart Bands, and finally, pick Huawei Band 7 from the list. Your phone will search for the band. Once found, confirm the pairing request on both your phone and the band's screen within 30 seconds. After successful pairing, the app will begin synchronizing data with your Huawei Band 7. This might take a few moments. Once complete, you can personalize your experience. Explore the watch face gallery to choose your favorite design, adjust notification preferences, and set daily activity goals, like aiming for 10,000 steps or 30 minutes of exercise. Encountering issues? Don't worry. If your band doesn't connect, try restarting both your smartphone and the Huawei Band 7. Also, double-check that the Huawei Health app has all required permissions enabled in your phone settings. For the best connection, keep your phone and band within 1 meter of each other during the initial pairing process. This ensures a strong, stable signal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.